Hey, good morning, guys. Transmitting from the lab. This is your first lab session. And as you see, I'm pretty safe up here too. Okay? So, I will show you what we're going to do. Materials, we're going to need salt, common salt from your kitchen. We're going to need also some sugar, standard sugar. And for the second part of the experiment, we're going to need aluminum foil. We are also using food coloring for the first part of the experiment. This you can get from Superama or so. So as you see, we have four 50 milliliter beakers, and we're going to put some water in them, 20 milliliters each. Oops. I'm gonna take and be as precise as I can, and we're going to take all the water that is not needed. 20. This is very important because we need to make a solution of sugar. What is a solution of sugar, guys? It is a mixture of sugar and water. And we're going to make 4 of them. Okay, good. We're going to add 1 drop of each one of these. What is this? It's food colorant to each of our beakers to identify them. Okay, just 1 drop here. There it is. You see, it's getting yellow. We're going to place a drop of green. There you go. We're going to place a drop of red. I'm going to place a drop of blue. We're going to stir them a little bit. There you go. Moving on to the next step. Station. This is our next station. Here we have our electronic scale. Here we have a little tray. Our colored water beakers. We have another beaker just in case we need it. Test tubes in a test tube rack. And we have some sugar that we're going to use on this first experiment. We're going to put first, we're going to tare. And we're going to take some of our sugar until we have 6.8 grams. Look, it's a lot, you see? We have 1.2 grams. Going on. You can do this only if you're pretty sure of your pulse. Look, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up, and we should stop until it gets to 6.8. 6.5. Oops, 6.7, that's 7. Okay. 6.9. 6.8. That's it. Okay. Carefully, I'm going to throw this one into one of the beakers. Let's place it into the beaker with the yellow colorant. Okay. Next one. Next one will have 13.7. There you go. We have it ready now. I'm going to place it into the beaker with green colorant. Very carefully. Do the same. Stir, 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 stir. Now, we need to know what we are doing. Each time we place more sugar and we try to dissolve it in water, what are we doing with the water? We're making it more dense. That means there will be more volume in space, in some space. Okay? Every time it will get harder and harder to mix all together. You see, we still see some sugar on the bottom. And we mix a little bit more. Okay, now we have this one with 20 grams already, and we want to add 20.5. So let's do this. There we go. A bit more, and there we go. Same thing with the red beaker. Into the red beaker, we're going to place this very slowly, very carefully. There we go. We're going to mix. Thoroughly. Okay. The blue liquid will have no sugar in it. And now we're going to transfer to the test tubes. This is going to be very interesting, guys. Very interesting. You're going to pull 10 milliliters from the most concentrated liquid, which is red, with a pipette. Okay. Okay, that's the red one. Then what we do is to rinse. There you go. Now we get from the next one, from the green one, it has medium concentration. We're going to pull out, in this case, 5 milliliters. See here? 5. And we're going to place it very slowly, but in the tip almost very slowly. You see what is happening? Is it mixing? Not really, right? Just like in the very edge. So you see here the more dense liquid and the less dense liquid. So what will happen if I will put the yellow now? Well, let's find out. We're going to rinse this one, and we'll find out. From this, I'm going to take another 5 milliliters. Okay. Wait. Something's wrong. We'll find out what happened with the yellow one. Let's take another 5. There you go. There we go. Bit more. Okay. See? 5. Now, we'll take our test tube. I'm going to place the pipette inside, and very slowly we're going to let go the liquid. What is happening? Do you see what I'm saying? Yes. The yellow one, the yellow part is at the top, the green at the middle, and the more dense red at the bottom. We have more sugar diluted in the red liquid, a little bit less on the red, even lesser on the yellow one. Now we want to see what would happen if we add some of the blue one, right? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to rinse. And we're going to take maybe not 5 because the tester is not so big. we're going to take 2. That should be enough. Let's add 3, just in case. You know, even if it says 7, it means that we're measuring from the bottom to the top. This is 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So now let's go for it. Let's test this out. What is happening? Wow, no? So we have, what do we have here? It looks like a rainbow. So the explanation is more sugar and the less sugar and no sugar at the top. Okay, that means this liquid is more dense than the other 3. Red, green, yellow, blue. Now, take a look at your lab sheet that I uploaded on Google Classroom and work on it. Thanks.